I'm going to cook today pechay, and this is sauteed pechay or pak choy. So this is just coming from my garden. I plant the pak choy, but this kind is different kind. It grows bigger. So what I do is I just cut the leaves and I leave the plant for to grow again. So I just cut on the sides like the way I plant salad or lettuce. You just take some leaves and then later you can have every time pak choy in your. So what we do is I'm going to cut the hard part and separate it because the leaves is easier to cook. So I'm going to cut the hard part of the pak choy or the pechay. I'm going to use the tomatoes in the can because I don't have fresh tomato, and only use garlic and onion. For the seasoning, I'm going to use soy sauce and salt and pepper. And you can just cut it. This is simple dish. But for some who don't know how to cook the pak choy or the pechay, then they can see how it's cooked. So you just separate the hard part. So this is now the pechay. This is the hard part that I separate, and this is the leaves. So I'm going to begin to saute now. So need to put a little bit oil. Put the onion and garlic. Now we can put the tomatoes. If you have fresh tomato, it's better. But at the moment, I don't have the fresh tomato, so I use too much. need to put it all because it will be wasted if I don't use it all. Then I can put a little bit of water in this can. We wait for it to simmer a little bit before we add the vegetable. So, because this is tomato with sauce, I don't think we need to add the soy sauce. Because normally if you use a fresh tomato, we need to add a little bit of soy sauce for to taste. But since it's like tomato sauce, we don't need anymore the soy sauce. So now we're going to add the stock of the pak choy, the pet chai. Because this takes time to cook, to be soft. This is a little bit hard, so we need to cover this and then for maybe 3 minutes and we come back. I need to add some water, around 1/4 cup. You can also put sardines here, the sardines with the tomato sauce. Now I can add the leaves because it's almost cooked now. So make sure that you mix it very well before you covered it again and simmer for another 3 minutes. Before we put the seasoning. You let it simmer before we going to put the seasoning, salt and pepper only. Then you can lower the fire and then cover. Now we're going to put the seasoning, the pepper, and a little bit of salt. I have magic syrup from my friend, so I'm going to put a little bit. If you don't have it, it's also okay, no problem. I also don't put too much. Now I'm going to taste this. I already lowered the fire. Yeah. Need to put a little bit of spice like a little bit of paprika, because sometimes tomato sauce you need to put a little bit of a spice so it will not be like tasteless. It's also not good if you put too much salt. So for to make it taste much better, can put paprika or the chili, little bit of the chili pepper. Okay, and more of the pepper. You can just adjust whatever you think is less. Okay, so this is our sauteed pad thai. Thanks for watching.